Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a very bright summer look, or like a sunset look. I'm not really feeling this white eyeliner at the bottom, but other than that, I really like this look. So if you guys want to see how I got it, then make sure you keep watching. Starting with my LA Girl concealer to prime my eyelid, and this one is medium beige. The 35B palette, I'm going to be taking this neon pink and packing that all over my eyelid. I'm gonna be taking this red right here. Oh my god, I just sound so country. Oh my god. And why did I even say that? Like, I can't believe that just came out of my mouth. I'm just taking this red that's like right beside the pink, and I'm gonna blend it out. And this is the E17. A random bonus entry. A few videos ago, I told you guys that I was paranoid of something. What was it? That's a super easy, well, to me it's easy, but if y'all already saw the video, then y'all should know the answer. But I told y'all that I was paranoid of something. What was it? Just comment it down below. I'm pretty sure y'all saw, if you're at least what did I say, 15, between the ages 15 and 17, I told y'all to go ahead and enter my giveaway. But I really don't know if it's that serious to the point. I don't know if it was even that serious to the point it had to limit it to a certain age, but I just, like I said, I didn't want to risk it. Okay, so I'm taking this gold shade right here. Y'all, they're coming out with a Princess Take a 2. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm using that one to blend out the red. Also, when I take the yellow, it's gonna make like a dark orange color. And I don't know if y'all knew, but y'all can really mix eyeshadow just like you can mix paint. And for those of you who have me on Snap, I have not forgotten about the bonus entry I posted on Snap a while ago. If y'all still know the answer, you're a real one, but I'm gonna put that one probably in the next video just so y'all know. So that's it for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Length. This is the old tube though. Here's the new one, so y'all will be looking for it and trying to figure out why y'all can't find it. They updated it so it's not dark purple anymore. Yeah, look at that. Like, this mascara is so amazing. I just wiped off all my glitter. So I'm gonna be applying my Willick Beauty lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye makeup though. I'm gonna take the red and go up under my lashes, and then I'm gonna grab some more of the gold color and blend that out. I actually like it better without the white eyeliner, but I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk and just put it in the outer corner. Alright, y'all, so that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you comment the answer to the bonus answer question down below if you have not already. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all stopped to go find the answer if you didn't already know it. I just hope y'all came back to complete the entire video. But if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more looks. And also, if you have not entered my giveaway, make sure you go ahead and enter, and I will see you guys in my next video.